Hello students, myself Rajesh Kumar. I'm your physics teacher and today we will discuss chapter 1, measurements and experimentation. So in this video we will start with the part A, that is systems of unit and units in SI system. So first topic is need of unit for measurement. Measurement is the process of comparison of the given physical quantity with the known standard quantity of the same nature. Example sake, this is the length of pencil and here we want to know the entire length of the pencil. So 1 centimeter we are repeating for 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it means the length of the pencil will be 5 centimeter. So if you are aware about the length 1 centimeter, easily you can repeat that length for 5 times to get the length of the pencil. So this is a kind of comparison. After this, unit is the quantity of a constant magnitude which is used to measure the magnitudes of other quantities of the same nature, like centimeter used to measure length value, breadth value, height value. Okay, so unit in which the quantity is being measured, which will have two terms. One is numerical value. So we can write physical quantity that is equal to, so that is numerical value into unit is equal to, let it be 5 centimeter as we have done earlier. So 5 is numerical value and the unit is centimeter. After that, choice of unit. Choice of unit. So in this you can say like 4 characteristics are there which should be with the unit to be chosen on the basis of that. First part is the unit should be of convenient size. Second is it should be possible to define the unit without ambiguity, means its meaning should be clear. Third, the unit should be reproducible. Fourth one, the value of unit should not change with space and time, like in any other place like America or in India, the unit value should be same and it should not change even 5 years before, present and 5 years after. Okay, so value should be same. Kinds of the units then. Two kinds are there. One is fundamental or basic unit. Second one is derived. Fundamental means the basic unit which is independent of any other unit or which can neither be changed nor can be related to any other fundamental unit. For example, mass, length, time. So mass is measured in kilogram, length is measured in meter and time is measured in second. After this, derived units are there, which are those units which depend on the fundamental units or which can be expressed in terms of the fundamental units. So here are some of the system of unit. One is CGS system, that is also known as French system. FPS system, British system. MK system can be known as metric system. So CGS means centimeter, gram, second. FPS means foot, pound, second. MKS means meter, kilogram, second. So very popular unit system is SI system, which is internationally adopted by all the countries. So one table that you have to learn, that length meter and its symbol is M, mass kilogram, kg, time second S, temperature Kelvin with capital K, just for the respect sake of the scientist because it is named after the scientist. Luminous intensity, candela, CD, electric current, ampere, capital A, amount of substance, mole, mol, angle, radian, rd, solid angle, steradian, st hyphen rd. Then there is a use of prefix with a unit. This prefix table is also important one. These symbols also you have to learn and the meaning also. Just like deca, 10 is per 1, hecto, 10 is per 2, kilo, 10 is per 3, mega, 10 is per 6, giga, 10 is per 9, tera, 10 is per 12, peta, 10 is per 15, exa, 10 is per 18, jeta, 10 is per 21, iota, 10 is per 24. And these are the higher prefixes, these are the small measurement prefixes. So prefix, symbol, meaning all should be on your tips. Deci, small d, 10 is per minus 1, centi, small c, 10 is per minus 2, milli, 10 is per minus 3, with small m, micro, it is known as mu, 10 is per minus 6, nano, 10 is per minus 9, pico, 10 is per minus 12, with small p, femto, small f, 10 is per minus 15, atto. Similarly, all the terms that you have to learn. Okay. Then units of length. Now for this 1 meter definition, scientific definition, although it is, but you have to learn. Okay. Then subunits of meter, as we have done, millimeter, milli, you know, 10 is per minus 3, meter as it is, micron, 10 is per minus 6 meter, nanometer, 10 is per minus 9 meter. Multiple units of meter, all are important. Multiple units of meter, these are for the higher one, higher units for the length. Kilometer, kilo means 1000 meter, and non-metric units of length, these are the bigger one, just like light year. Parsec, astronomical unit, these values you have to learn. And all the values, light year, parsec, angstrom, it is given in this table. So these tables are really important. Just learn complete values. For example, light year is equal to 9.46 into 10 to the power 15 meter. Astronomical unit, 1.496 into 10 to the power 11 meter. So one astronomical unit is equal to the mean distance between the earth and sun. Just like light year, a light year is the distance traveled by the light in 1 year. Parsec means 1 parsec is equal to 3.26 light year. So in units of mass, for that you have to learn this definition. Okay. And subunits of kilogram are milligram, simple gram, and higher units are quintal and metric ton. In 1 quintal, 100 kgs are there. In 1 metric ton, 1000 kilogram or 10 quintal. You can say non-metric units of mass, that is 1 AMU, very very important, that is equal to 1/12 of the mass of 1 carbon 12 atom. So this value you have to learn. 1 AMU or unified mass unit is equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. So again this table is important. Then second definition. A second is defined as 1 by 86,400th part of the mean solar day, because in one solar day how many seconds are present? 86,400 seconds. After that, bigger units are there for the time. So these smaller units also you have to learn, millisecond and shake. Bigger units are this minute, hour, day, lunar month, year, leap year, decade, century or millennium. So the values are given in this table. So this table you can learn for the values. For the derived units, in this volume as a derived units, this you know, volume is equal to length into breadth into height. So length is measured in meter, breadth meter, height meter. So meter into meter into meter, meter cube. So this is the derived unit. Density is equal to mass upon volume. So mass is measured in kilogram and volume in meter cube. Similarly, this is the unit for the derived quantity, that is density kilogram per meter cube. Third one is work, force into displacement. Force, you know, measured in Newton. Displacement is in meter. Newton into meter is equal to joule, and the symbol is capital J. Pressure, force upon area, that is force in Newton, area in meter square. So Newton per meter square is equal to Pascal. So here are some other derived quantities, and one table full is there for the practice. So practice other quantities also. So some of the guidelines for writing the units. First, the symbol for the unit which is not named after the scientist can be written with the small letter. For example, second, that is not the name of the scientist, so small s. Second, the symbol of a unit which is named after the scientist, example say Newton, that symbol will use for the respect's sake as a capital letter. Third one, the full name of the unit, irrespective of the fact whether it is named after a scientist or not, is always written with the lower or initial letter, just like kilogram. So this is the right way. Okay, meter, so this is the right way, METR, small one. A compound unit formed by the multiplication of two or more units is written after putting a dot, just like Newton meter, Newton dot meter you can say, Newton cross M you can say, or Newton space M you can say. Negative power is used for compound units which are formed by dividing one unit by the other, just like meter per second you can write as meter second inverse. A unit in its short form is never written in plural, like meters is not the correct pronunciation, meter only, otherwise it will be millisecond. To avoid powers of the 10, the magnitude of the quantity prefix can be used with its unit, just like kilowatt. So kilo is 1000 watt, gigawatt. So kilo mega is not the correct one. Eighth one, when prefix is used with a symbol of unit, the prefix and symbol combined becomes the new symbol of the unit. For example, kilometer cube. So how we will write this? 10 to the power 3 meter. If we will write as a whole cube, it will become 10 to the power 9 meter cube. So it is not the correct way. So numericals. First one, lambda is equal to 5800 angstrom. It is given. And angstrom, you know, 10 to the power minus 10 meter. I have written here. A part, lambda you have to find in nanometer. So how to express? Just see this trick. 5800 into 10 to the power minus 10 as it is, meter as it is. But nanometer, nano value I am writing it. 10 to the power minus 9 and 10 to the power minus 9. Just multiply and divide it with this. So this will become nanometer, and solve. This you will take to the numerator. It will come with plus sign. So 5800 into 10 to the power minus 1 nanometer. If you will solve, this 0 will cancel with this. So 580 nanometer. In B part, lambda you have to find in meter. So as you know, 5800 angstrom is given. I have written the value. Decimal is here. Shift this decimal by 3 places. Decimal will come over here. Into how many places you have shifted, you have to increase this with 3 places. So minus 10 plus 3 minus 7. So lambda is equal to 5.8 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter. In fifth numerical, mass of oxygen atom is 16 U. U is the atomic mass unit, unified atomic mass unit. We know that 1 U is equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. Simply multiply these values and you will get the answer. And in seventh one, the distance of the star from the earth is given 8.33 light minutes. So as you know, distance is equal to speed into time. Speed of the light, you know, 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and time is 8.33 light minute. So 8.33 into minute value you can write here 60 second. So is equal to, if you multiply, you will get 1.49 into 10 to the power 11. With approximation, it will be 1.5 into 10 to the power 11 meter. So tough numericals we have discussed. Some few are left, so that you can discuss or try at home. And this is all about the part A video. B part is not in the syllabus. So this you can leave, and in next video we will discuss the C part of the chapter. Okay, thank you very much.